my God! Ang ganda dito, grabe. Today we're traveling from the province of Cavite to Batangas and taking a ferry from Batangas port to the island of Mindoro in Puerto Galera. Batangas is a major port with daily shipping schedules traveling to different islands in the Philippines. We are in this big shipping terminal here in the province of Batangas. Look at all those big ships. We're at a terminal here at Batangas Port where you see a lot of people are waiting for their ferries that will take them to the provinces of Mindoro and Masbate. So there are certain requirements that you need to accomplish to travel inter-island. In this case, we're traveling from the main island of Luzon to the island of Mindoro. You're gonna need the S-Pass. You can fill that online or the hotel's gonna take care of that for you. In our case, the hotel took care of that and they also gave us a QR code. QR code here. And then we went to the port, paid the terminal fee, and now we're waiting for the ship that's gonna take us to the island of Mindoro. Batangas Port on our way to what island?
Puerto.
Okay, we're on board. We're here, guys. Welcome to Mindoro. Welcome to Puerto Galera. Efren, okay, Efren. Welcome to Puerto Galera. Thank you, Efren. From Puerto Galera Port, we have to take a car service to drive us from Puerto Galera Port to Sabang Beach. This is the Sabang Ferry Terminal. Our hotel and other hotels are located in Sabang Beach, and the only way to get there is to take a ferry from this terminal. Oh, wala ka pa naranasan ganyan, no? We're at Sabang Port. Sabang Port, no? Sabang Port, and then we're going to the resort. Oh my God! Ang ganda dito, grabe.
Balik kami next year dito.
Si JR tsaka si Efren.
Kasi bukas uwi na kami. Tingnan na namin kung maganda dito. Kasi may darating na turista.
Ano, maganda ba o hindi?
Maganda.
Ang ganda, grabe. Yan na yung resort na yun. Ganda, no? Gano'ng kalalim yan, Efren?
Wabo na po yun, sir.
Hindi siya biglang lalalim. We are here. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous out. It's the hotel. Nanay! Ano?
I love it.
Hello.
Ay, Grabe, naiinip ako. First time niyo ma'am dito?
Oo, first time namin.
Thank you.
Hello!
Hi, sir. Kamusta biyahe, sir?
Ganda dito, grabe. Ninervous siya, pero tuwang-tuwa siya. Oh God, this is so nice.
The restaurant is open 24 hours.
Okay, dito.
So, if you'll... pwede po kayong order sa room, but there's a 50 pesos charge sa room po.
Okay.
And then, beyond 11 p.m., if you want to order 11 p.m. onwards po.
LaLaguna Villas is a popular resort in Puerto Galera. It has this big outdoor swimming pool. And as you can see from here, most of the rooms have this big balcony. It has a villa-style atmosphere, and they have this amazing view of the ocean. And you can see the island of Luzon from here. And you get to see a view of the swimming pool also, in nature around you. It's beautiful. We're just gonna head out today. Second day here in Puerto Galera. There's Sabang Port. So you see, most of the hotels are here. Just walking here by the cross. Anay. Hello.
Hi, napakagandang lugar dito. Mga kaibigan, mga kasister ko.
Ang lalim. Dito mostly mga hotels. So, mostly hotels are here. Tapos, merong boat doon. So, the boat will take you to Sabang Port. And then, drive to Puerto Galera Port is about 30 minutes ba? And then, I think it's only 10 minutes. 10 minutes drive. And then you get the ferry there to Batangas, right? So, Puerto Galera to Batangas, 2 hours ba? I think it's
1 and 45.
1 hour and 45 minutes. Nay, anong pinupulot mo dyan?
This is my panghilod.
It was raining this morning for breakfast, but it's clearing up now. So we got a chance to walk around Puerto Galera. Mom is checking out some souvenirs.
300 lang, madam. Mahal naman. Ay, madam.
Oh, that's nice.
500, madam, bintahan yan.
T-shirt.
Pilipino lang. Ano nakatatak? Wala pong problema.
Ano pong name niyo po?
Ako po si Estelita Evangelista.
Estelita. Kayo po pa,
Ako si Saldi po, sa Laudin po.
Matagal na po kayo dito?
Matagal na po dito.
Dito na kayo pinanganak?
Hindi po. Pinanganak po ako sa Mindanao, pero laki dito na ako.
Taga Mindanao si
Apo.
Mang
Saldi sa Laudin.
Tapos ilang years na po kayo dito?
Mag 29 na po years dito po.
Okay. So, kamusta naman ang
Ito.
ang negosyo?
Gawa naman Diyos po, nakabuhay naman kay konti.
Ayos naman. Paano nakakaraos ang...
Maraming mga hotels dito, no? Grabe. Mula dun hanggang dun. Anyway, they're selling nice t-shirts here. And we're getting some souvenirs. And Nana's getting a shirt.
Bon, this is yours. And Andy, this is yours.
I hope you're watching. Mang Saldi is taking me to a store to have my money changed. Look at this, guys. Lapit na po. We're following him. We need to go to a store. Heading back. Kami lang po ni Nanay. It was a short stay, but we really enjoyed our first time here in the island of Mindoro, experiencing not only the resort, but a glimpse of the local life here in this beautiful island.
Bakit ito na?
Kukain ko po yung sasakyan.
Okay.
Bye! We're here. We're going back to the Palatero Port. Yes. This is gonna be fun! Woohoo! Okay, we got big waves. We got big waves. Oh my god. But we're getting there. We're close. Alright, we're close. Almost there. So we have to take a car here to the main port in Puerto Galera. Okay, we're here. Thank you po. Bye. Bye-bye.
Ako bukas na lang ay mamaya na lang bibigay na.
Kasama ka pa?
Bibili pa po ako sa bayan.
Ah, okay.
Wait, thank you.
Bye-bye.